We are ready, yeah? Hello everyone. We are live on the Decimal YouTube channel. Today we are presenting another AMA session with the Decimal CBDO Nick Bogorad. We will continue to discuss the updates in the new version of the white paper. Nick, good afternoon. How are you today?
Hello, Margot. It's great to see you and be here with our community.
Oh, thank you. Likewise, let's begin. Today we will discuss the goals and objectives that Decimal has set for the future, the overview of the technical background, and the Dell coin. I think we should start with you telling us about the goals of Decimal.
Sure, the answer is very straightforward. We want to add more useful utilities to our blockchain. I'm confident that our users will notice them. We want to focus on making it easy to use so that regular people without programming experience could use the Decimal blockchain to its full potential. I am primarily talking about tokenization, a fast and easy way to create your own custom token and set it up to serve any purpose you want. In just 3 minutes, you can mint your own token that can be integrated into your project and can be used as an asset in the Decimal ecosystem. We're always looking to increase the functionality of the network by uniting different blockchains.
Nick, what functionality are you talking about? Can you give an example?
Of course, there have been over 100 unique tokens created on the Decimal blockchain. You can go and see for yourself. Maybe one of the projects will interest you. Many people use their tokens as loyalty programs or cashback services for their business. Some tokens are used as currency for gaming. There are many more examples like voting on the blockchain, bureaucratic processes, user identification, and even NFT tickets for events. In addition, we have a bridge that allows for the transactions of tokens to other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, which further widens the scope of utility for tokens made on Decimal.
This is really impressive. How do people come up with the ideas for planned tokens to their projects?
For people that are looking for inspiration on how to introduce crypto into your business, we have videos on our YouTube channel that discuss tokenization. If you're looking for ideas, it would be useful to check them out and see how other people are using Decimal to their advantage to integrate digital tokens into their work. You can learn from the best and build upon it to make something even better.
So, even if you have no idea where to start, you can look at example. That's great.
Yes.
Tell us, what is the Decimal currently working on from the list of goals you set?
Actually, the team is working on a number of objectives at the same time. We're adding more products into our ecosystem to make it easier to use and more effective for our community. For example, stablecoins, DEX exchanges, a system for identification with Decimal ID, a launchpad, and many more like that. Many of these products have already been introduced and are already being used by the community. For example, NFT creation, bridges between blockchains, and others. We're also introducing tokens into partner projects like the BTT token that's used by BitTeam, the BitTeam exchange, to reduce commission fees. We're always working towards growing the spectrum of utility and making the product more useful for everyone.
Interesting. And how do you come up with these ideas for development Decimal?
So we're constantly analyzing the crypto market. When we see something we like, we take the inspiration from it and work on integrating the idea into Decimal. We're also always monitoring our community and working on responding to their feedback. We try to respond to natural demand and give our community what they want. After all, the main goal is to make Decimal as useful as possible for the people that want to use it. We want everyone to have a chance to try themselves at crypto and not be held back by the technical difficulties that come with creating a token.
Nice. I was just getting ready to ask about token. Tell us, what is the Dell token? What is for and how does it work?
The Dell token is the native token of the Decimal ecosystem. It serves the purpose of connecting Decimal to other blockchains and allowing projects built on Decimal to be connected to the rest of the blockchain community. Tokens created on Decimal can be converted to DEL in order to be sent to other blockchains or traded for different tokens or even fiat. Also, all the tokens built on Decimal are backed by DEL in the form of reserves, therefore giving value to newly created tokens. DEL is also used as currency on Decimal to reward people for staking and delegation. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you. I would also like to know how the value of the DEL token is determined. Can you tell us about
It's
it?
a simple process. The price of DEL is based on the number of users for whom the token is of value. If the number of users keeps increasing and the amount of tokens in circulation stays the same, the demand rises, as more people want to get a hold of DEL. Since the Decimal team is in control of 96% of the token supply, we're able to control the amount of tokens on the market and ensure steady price increases. This is why we're focused on increasing functionality of Decimal. If more people are joining the community and using the DEL token, the price rises, therefore benefiting the existing community and attracting more people as a result. This means that coins made on Decimal will also be more valuable because they're backed by DEL reserves, as I said earlier.
That's it, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you for explaining this. It has been a pleasure, as always, to have this discussion with you. The interview was a success.
Yeah, thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to interact with you and our community.
To our audience, yeah. Have a great weekend and until next week.
Goodbye, everyone.